Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we are going to pick a winner, and this winner will receive our January giveaway and our February giveaway because the January was not claimed. If this one doesn't get claimed, then the March winner will receive January, February, and March. They're going to keep adding up until somebody claims them. Now, I've already went over and chose the URL for one of my videos. I chose the one that had the most comments and the most views from February. And then I've got that. So now we're going to fetch the comments. But I don't allow duplicates. Include replies. No, we don't want to include me replying. Okay. So it's loading up. Wow, this one had lots. So we've got, looks like 294 comments to choose from. So let's hit this little button right here that says pick a winner. And the winner is Sally D Hondt. She just says, so pretty, Edith. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, come on now. There we go. Maybe you can see it now. So Sally, I will leave my email below, and you have 24 hours to contact me from the time this video goes up to claim your winnings. And that, you look very familiar. I'm almost 100% sure that you are a subscriber, but I will check that out. And if you're not, then I'll come back on and I will give it away again. But you just look too familiar. I think you are. All right, Sally, congratulations. Thank you guys for all of your comments. Make sure you continue to leave those comments. You can leave more than one because we will draw again at the end of March. If Sally doesn't contact me, then we will add February's to March's giveaway, and we'll give away January, February, and March. But if she contacts me, we are going to give her January and February's giveaway. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for participating, and thank you for leaving me all the lovely comments. I read each and every one of them. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.